go into Google and type Windows 10 download, and then you want to scroll down to the Microsoft website and click download Windows 10. You'll need a USB stick that is at least 8 GB. The one I've got is 16 GB from Wilko's. You want to click create Windows 10 installation media and then open the file. Click yes. This is just for the free version, just to get the computer working. I just want to accept. You want to go create installation media USB flash drive and then go to next. USB flash drive needs to be at least 8 GB, and then it will find the flash drive, the USB stick you've put in, and then you just want to create next. Then you just want to let this do its job. It usually takes about 10-15 minutes. It's going to download Windows and then progress Windows onto the USB stick. Once it's done that and it says completed and it's finished, it will close itself. Then if you eject the stick, I'll upload the video for the next step.